10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right 3 cut. 50 slight left over crest. Dip, slight right uphill, keep right. 50, keep left into right 4, into caution left 1. 25 over crest, right 5, into slight right. Caution right 3 over crest, into left 4. 25 over crest, into right 6 narrows, caution left 4, into caution right 3. 50, left 3 into immediate, right 2 tightens. Into left 2. Left 2 into right 3 long, caution tightens 2. Repeat, right 3 long, caution tightens 2. Right 5. 50, keep left, press chicane, left entry. 25 over crest into left 3, cut maybe. Into right 5 long. 25, caution left 4 long. Into slight right. Left 5. 25, left 5 into 100 over jump. Caution long left 5. Caution right 5 over crest into left 2 tightens, don't cut. Into right 3. 50 over crest, right 6. 100 over finish. Caution right 5 over crest.